Have you ever wondered who invented the microwave oven and why? Well, get ready because this everyday kitchen appliance was actually invented by accident. Yes, you heard that right. Stick around to find out how a melted chocolate bar changed the way we cook forever. And before we dive in, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe to support our channel and discover more fascinating stories like this one. Our story takes us back to 1945 during World War II. A brilliant American engineer named Percy Spencer was working for Raytheon, a company that specialized in radar technology. He was experimenting with a device called a magnetron, which generates microwaves used in radar systems. One day, while standing near an active magnetron, Percy noticed something strange. A chocolate bar in his pocket had completely melted. At first he was puzzled, but then curiosity took over. He wanted to know why this happened. Quick pause. Have you ever had something weird happen and thought, wait, what if this is something big? Let us know in the comments. Percy didn't stop with just a melted chocolate bar. He decided to experiment further. He placed popcorn kernels near the magnetron, and guess what? The kernels popped. That was the first ever microwave popcorn. Then he tried placing an egg near the device. Within seconds, the egg exploded from the heat. Yikes! It became clear that microwaves could heat food quickly and efficiently. Percy Spencer and his team realized they had just stumbled upon a groundbreaking invention. Raytheon quickly worked on developing this discovery into an actual kitchen appliance. In 1947, they introduced the first microwave oven called the Radar Range. But here's the catch, it was huge. It stood almost 6 feet tall, weighed over 750 pounds, and cost around $5,000. Definitely not something you could fit in your kitchen back then. But as technology improved, microwave ovens became smaller, cheaper, and more efficient. By the 1970s, they were common in households around the world. And today, almost every home has one. So how does a microwave oven actually cook food? It's pretty cool. The magnetron generates microwaves, which bounce around inside the oven and make water molecules in food vibrate. These vibrations create heat, cooking the food from the inside out. That's why your food heats up so fast compared to a regular oven. And that's the amazing story of how a melted chocolate bar led to one of the most popular kitchen inventions ever. Who knew a simple accident could change the way we cook forever? If you found this story fascinating, make sure to smash that like button. And if you love discovering the hidden stories behind everyday things, don't forget to subscribe to This Is Why, and turn on notifications so you never miss a new video. Also, share this video with your friends and family. They'll be surprised to learn how microwaves were invented. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Stay curious.
Enjoyed watching? Subscribe for more. Like and comment your favorite moment. Thanks for watching.